Let's get this started. Key is you hear the fuel pump come on right away. This is the choke if you need it. But it idles pretty nicely. It's in good shape. You have amps, so it is charging. It's going up to about 25 amps. The fuel gauge is working, and the oil pressure is, that would be 45, 50 right there at idle, which is good. It's showing 5,031 miles, and the temp gauge is out here. This is kind of fun. So many cars that we see, the horn push doesn't work. Well, Morgan never bothered with these cars with a horn push. They just put it right here. So in a lot of Bugeyeys that we see, the button's out here and you have to reach for it. But this is actually really convenient. I actually love this because it's vintage and period. It's not working, minor detail. That should be easy to fix, but the location of a horn this way, it's kind of nice that it's there. The other thing is you have the turn signals here. There is an indicator. This is the indicator. It's kind of dim, but that's left and that's right. And you can see the ammeter verify that it's working. We have also the lights are park lights here. There's a 5 amp draw, and then that's headlights, maybe an 8 amp draw. So those are working. And I think there is a dip switch, if I remember, down in here for the high beams. Then we have wipers are this one. I don't want to scratch the glass. These are either blanks or maybe one would be the heater fan if you had it, but I don't think these are connected. Other than that, it's a really nice running car, pretty straightforward, and it's something that we have for sale at Bugeyeguys.